Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is December 20th, Monday, and today we have favorite things, current things, and future things to share with you. First up is one of my favorite things. This is a wooden needle thread holder. So this is a needle threader that we sell in the store. This wooden holder is very handy because you can stick your spool of thread right there. Your needle threader stays stuck down to the board with a double-sided tape, and that way you have everything you need right where you need it. And this little needle threader, which is made out of plastic and is very lightweight, is going to stay in one place while you are threading your needle. So this needle threader is super simple. You just throw the thread in there, push the button, pull your needle up, and there you can see, let's see, I don't know if you can see or not, but right there you can see that it threaded. So you can pull that thread through, and then there's even a cutter right here on the top edge of the needle threader. So there you go. The needle threader and the needle threader base are both on sale as part of my favorite things. So I really, really do believe in both of those things. They are absolutely favorite things of mine, and they're now 25% off through Christmas. Next up, we have future for you. These are two of the Riley Blake table topper kits that are going to start arriving in 2022. This is, of course, October, and this is one that I made, and I embellished with little stuff. Big Stitch quilted the pumpkins and then embellished around the edges. Super simple, fast to put together kit by Lori Holt for Riley Blake. And then this next one is one that Linda Piccola made. And I'm sorry that I don't know the month that this is. Oh, January. So these are going to be coming into the shop next year, just like these pillow kits are in the shop now. These table topper kits would be a really fun way to just get some more experience in different types of quilting, and of course make a bunch of cute gifts for people. We will let you know when this is available for pre-order, and if you're interested in getting on a list for pre-orders, just send us an email at staff@caryquilting.com. And we will make sure that we get you on a list, so we'll let you know when those are available for sale. Next up, we have two new Riley Blake Pillow of the Month kits. The new ones are this one, which is March, obviously. And then this one is still en route, but it's going to be here very soon. That's February. And that joins the other ones that we have here. We don't have all 12 months anymore because they've been coming in for a whole year, but we do have several. So what you can do with that is you can buy a 20-inch pillow form, which we do sell here, and then you can just change out the cover once a month to have something fun for a front porch or a front entryway. And now March and February are available. I think that's all I have for you today. Let me look over my list. Yes, that's all I've got for you today. We will be back tomorrow, which happens to be my birthday, and we'll be showing you what's new then too. Hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.